Hello everyone, once again a warm welcome to you all on your very own channel, The Official Money Pill. As a part of the series of Making Money Online, here is another video featuring a famous platform, Pinterest, which you can use to generate income, be it manually or by using bots. Before heading further, let us have a glance at Pinterest, so we suggest all of you to stay with us, as you might discover some new things later in this video as well. Pinterest is a visual discovery engine for generating ideas like home and style inspiration, recipes, and much more. With more than 1 billion pins or posts on Pinterest, you will always find arguments to spark your inspiration. In this video, you are going to learn a great set of skills that is making money online using Pinterest bots, and the best thing is that you would not have to spend any money. You just have to make a few clicks and work smartly. Step 1. Create an account on Pinterest. It is an understood fact that to make money from Pinterest, and you are supposed to have an account on Pinterest. So let us begin with creating an account on Pinterest, which is a straightforward step. With your personal Pinterest account, you will be browsing, exploring, interacting, pinning, and interacting with many other users in no time. Go to Pinterest.com. Select Sign Up. You have the option of signing up with an email address and password or signing up through your Facebook or Google account. Enter your email address, create a password, and select Continue. Alternatively, select Continue with Facebook and log into your Facebook account, or select Continue with Google and log into your Google account. You'll receive a Welcome to Pinterest message. Select Next. Answer the setup questions, select some areas of interest, and select Done. Check your email for a message from Pinterest asking you to confirm your email address. Your Pinterest account is set up, and you're ready to start browsing and pinning. By following these simple instructions, you will end up making a safe Pinterest account. Don't forget that you must keep your profile as genuine as possible and input your exact details to avoid any kind of ban. What will you see after the Pinterest account is created? After account creation, you will see a cool website interface designed by the Pinterest owners to get the undivided attention of the users. You will come across various types of options, such as when you discover pins you love, you can save them to boards to keep your ideas organized and easy to reach back whenever you want to. You can also generate pins to share your thoughts with other people on Pinterest. Your home feed or timeline is where you'll find different pins, businesses, and people that you will love based on your recent activity and searches. You can also see the pins from the people and boards you are following. You can also search for pins by writing down keywords in the search bar. Try typing birthday party in the search bar to see ideas for birthday party decor, party food recipes, and birthday gift ideas. So as you can see now, that just like every other social media app, Pinterest offers pretty similar options. Step 2. Create an account on Ninja Pinner. In the whole journey of making money from Pinterest, one of the most helpful tools that we are going to use is Ninja Pinner. Only a few of you might know about this unique tool, so let's have a brief look over this as well. Ninja Pinner is a tool that offers you a considerable amount of services, such as get you thousands of followers quickly on virtual autopilot, make you one of the most famous figures in your industry or niche, gain you an avalanche of qualified website traffic, recognition, and exposure, dramatically increase your product sales and profits, create an overwhelming presence on the most popular social networks, which boosts your social proof and credibility, save your countless hours of time since our software automates everything. This tool is straightforward to use and understand, such that you will not have to do a lot of research before using or signing up for its free trial. For today's lesson, Ninja Pinner is a great tool to be used as it offers automation for various other platforms that include Pinterest as well. It provides you so many pinning and repinning options that you can use to promote or market your product, affiliate, or domain. Step 3. Make use of Ninja Pinner for the auto-commenting feature. So now you are done with the essential steps. Thus, let's get things straight. Here in this case, we will make use of Ninja Pinner to gather various popular pins from Pinterest and either auto-comment on those pins or invite those people to pin on your Pinterest, or it will assist you in repinning on others' pins. All you will have to do is go to ninjapinner.com and click on the Pinterest bot. There you will come across a place where it will ask you about the credentials of your Pinterest account. So just log into your Pinterest from there that you have already created. After gaining access from there, you will get a free 7-day trial without even entering any payment details. Then you'll be directed to a dashboard, and there you will have to search about your subject or niche to which your products or affiliates are related. Once you gather accounts or pins that are related to your product or affiliate, then you are going to click the auto comment and create a comment. Later on, you can also edit these comments, but for the first time, you have to make it. Pro tip. I am just adding a pro tip here so you do not miss out on any important detail. I would recommend that you create a forwarding address of your product or affiliate using the tool GoDaddy. This way, you will have a complete domain website of the product and you can send people to the whole domain instead of just a tool. So it would work like this. Your bot will auto-comment the domain you've created on GoDaddy. And when the viewers click that forwarding link, they will redirect to the actual affiliate or product you are offering. And if they sign up from there, then obviously you are going to make money. Step 4. Communicate and grow. There is a well-known saying, to effectively communicate, we must realize that we are all different in the way we perceive the world and use this understanding as a guide to our communication with others. Anthony Robbins. This quotation clearly emphasizes the fact that communication is a solution to lots of arising problems. After you win people's attention by pinning, repinning, and posting about your product, don't let that attention go away by being unavailable and unresponsive. Although you can automate the pinning and repinning stuff, but you can't automate the whole conversation with the unpaid version of the above bots. So if you are dealing manually with the people that are interested in your product, involve with them, engage with them, as they are potential buyers that will sign up on your tools that will let you generate income. So guys, this was it. One thing I would like to clear at the end of the video is that you are going to use the same procedure if you are offering any services instead of affiliate tools or products. You would simply then mention the details of your service and generate a comment, likewise as you have been taught in the video previously. Moreover, these rules and principles extend to all the platforms with the few changes, and we will bring much more videos to teach you the skill of making money online from different platforms. Last but not the least, automation and making use of any bot can lead to a permanent ban of your account or a temporary blockage of your account from this platform, just like other platforms. So be very careful while using any bots or automation. Hope you all liked the video. Subscribe to our channel, The Official Money Pill, as we are on a mission to teach all of you to start earning online. See you in the next video. Thank you.